Have you ever wondered how a sweet-tasting root could be so powerful in healing? Mulethi, also known as licorice root, is a time-tested remedy celebrated in Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and now modern science. From soothing sore throat to supporting liver health and calming inflammation, this humble root has truly earned its place in healing tradition around the world. Let's take a closer look at what makes Mulethi so special. But before we start, subscribe to our channel. We are always posting new helpful content. And if you have an idea for a video, drop it in the comments below. Researchers have discovered that Mulethi contains unique plant compounds with powerful effects. Licochalcone A present in Mulethi can actually slow down cancer cell growth and even trigger their natural death, a process called apoptosis. Another key compound, isoquetigenin, is being studied for its potential against several cancers, including breast, liver, colon, prostate, cervical, and pancreatic cancer. While Mulethi isn't a cure, it's showing promise as a natural support in future cancer therapies. Mulethi has also been trusted for centuries to support respiratory health, and now science is revealing why. Natural compounds present in Mulethi like glycine, glabridin, and isoquetigenin have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They help reduce swelling in the airways, ease breathing, and protect your lungs from damage caused by pollution, smoking, or infections. Studies show Mulethi may help with asthma and bronchitis by relaxing tight airways, clearing out mucus, and offering relief. Mulethi may help keep your liver healthy. The liver filters toxins and processes medicine, but it can get damaged by alcohol, infections, or chemicals. Mulethi compounds, especially glycine, may reduce inflammation and protect liver cells. In some countries, Mulethi extract are used to support liver health, especially when the liver is under stress. Mulethi may also help fight germs. As antibiotic resistance grows, scientists are exploring natural options. Mulethi extract have shown the ability to fight bacteria and fungi, even some that cause serious infections like tuberculosis. It's not a replacement for antibiotics, but it could become part of future natural therapies. It might also support dental health. Mulethi has been shown to fight the bacteria that causes cavities and reduce the acid that damages enamel. Sugar-free Mulethi lollipops have even lowered bacteria in children's mouth. It's a sweet way to help protect your teeth naturally. Also, Mulethi is used in skin care to fade dark spots and brighten skin tone. Early studies suggest it may help after a stroke and even support blood sugar control in people with diabetes. Thanks to its powerful natural compounds, Mulethi continues to offer gentle support across many aspects of health. Now let's find out what clinical studies are telling us about Mulethi. Beyond lab and animal studies, researchers have tested Mulethi in humans and the results are promising. In patients with fatty liver disease, Mulethi can help reduce the elevated liver enzymes, which are important indicators of liver inflammation or damage. It also reduces inflammation in hepatitis B and C with good safety outcomes. Mulethi, when combined with antibiotics, improve treatment for Helicobacter pylori infections, a common cause of stomach ulcers. It even showed benefits in reducing dental plaque, suggesting a role in oral care. While not all results were strong, the overall clinical evidence points to Mulethi as a gentle, supportive remedy for the liver, infections, and oral health. Mulethi offers many health benefits, but it should be used with care. Too much can upset the body's salt and water balance, leading to issues like high blood pressure, water retention and swelling, low potassium, which may cause muscle weakness, headaches or bloating. In rare cases, overuse has caused muscle damage and blood changes. If you notice unusual swelling, high blood pressure or muscle pain, Mulethi might be a factor. It's found in candies, teas and supplements, often with different strength. Experts suggest limiting Mulethi candy to 60 to 70 grams per day, but most side effects go away once you stop using it. Mulethi, also known as licorice root, is much more than a sweet herb. Its natural compounds offer impressive benefits, from fighting inflammation and supporting liver health to aiding dental care and even showing promise in cancer research. Rich in antioxidants and healing bioactive compounds, Mulethi has been valued for centuries in traditional medicine, and now modern science is confirming its powerful potential. As we learn more about this ancient remedy, Mulethi stand out as a natural assistant for wellness, helping to strengthen the body's defenses and support a healthier, more balanced life.